Friday, May the 17th, and our word for today is guidance. My inner divine light shows me the way. Even though there are storm clouds which block the sun now and again, I have the wisdom and faith to know that the sun's rays always return to visibility. There is an inner light too that shines brightly for me always, the light of God. A deep connection with my inner being serves me as a beacon of light, an inner guiding light within my heart and mind that shines the wisdom of truth in all situations. Knowing this, I can relax and feel a sense of calm wash over me. I move forward in my life step by step, confident that I do not have to face challenges alone. I am at peace, knowing that I am perfectly guided and that the path before me is clear. I can count on the light of truth within to guide me to my greatest good. The book of Isaiah chapter 42 verse 16 says, I will turn the darkness before them into light, the rough places into level ground.